Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanadita Kristianingsih. Today in this short lesson we will learn about adverbial clause, especially for adverbial clause of time and place. We will learn the concept first and then we apply it to answer some questions. So for the matter first, about an adverbial clause is a group of words that consists of a verb and a subject, and it functions like adverb. It gives us more information about the verb in the main clause. There are several types, but we will focus on clauses of time and place. First, the adverbial clause of time tells us when of something happens. As example, when I arrived home, it was already dark. It answered the question of when. And then the second one, adverbial clause of place tells us where something happens. For example, I stayed where my friends live. It answered the question where. Now I will give you some tips for the adverbial clause of time and place. Look for the connection words like when, while, after, before, where, or whenever, and wherever. They often signal adverbial clause. Okay, now we will move to apply this, and then we will answer some questions. So there is a text, recount text. I will show you here or here. Okay. For the first question, fill in the blank with the most suitable clause. There are 5 choices. Okay, we will read the sentence before. After we rented 2 surfboards, we rode the waves with some foreigner tourists. Unfortunately, because it was getting dark, blah blah blah, we hated the instructions, but we immediately followed the instructions for our safety. Nah, untuk penawarannya, untuk mencari jawaban yang betul. Nah, dalam konteks ini karena mulai gelap, jadi lifeguardsnya itu memberikan instruksi bahwa kita harus kembali ke pantai. Nah, dari 5 pilihan yang tersedia, pilihan yang paling natural adalah the lifeguards told us to get back to the shore while we were having fun. Karena ini sesuai dengan past simple dan menggambarkan kejadian singkat. Jadi, jawaban yang betul adalah the lifeguards told us to get back to the shore while we were having fun. Okay, next to the second question, which underlined part doesn't contain an adverbial clause of place or time? Nah, kita lihat dulu dari 5 kalimat yang terunderline. Dan yang pertama itu when my younger sister and I visited Batu Bolong Beach, blah 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 blah, until Beach Road. And then the second one, as soon as we set foot in the Batu Bolong Beach sand, we could see a long stretch of beach shorelines. And then the third sentence, anywhere I walked, I saw that there were many sunbeds friends. The fourth sentence, after we rented 2 surfboards, we rode the waves with some foreigner tourists. And then the last, since my sister is a photographer, she took many beautiful pictures of the sunset. Nah, kita lihat dulu dari 5 kalimat yang terunderline itu. Dari yang pertama itu mengandung when, jadi itu menunjukkan adverbial clause of time. Dan yang kedua itu mengandung as soon as, itu mengindikasikan adanya adverbial clause of time. And then the third mengandung clause of place karena ada anywhere. Jadi anywhere I walk, I saw, bla bla bla. And then the fourth, after we rented 2 surfboard, itu mengindikasikan bahwa ada clause of time. And then the last one, since my sister is photographer, bla bla bla. Nah, ini itu bukan clause of time of place or place, karena ini adalah clause of reason karena mengandung since. Karena di sini artinya sebagai because atau karena. Tadi seperti tip yang sudah saya berikan, itu kita bisa melihat ada connection word seperti when, as soon as, anywhere, after, before. Nah, jadi jawaban yang betul untuk which underlined part doesn't contain an adverbial clause of place or time adalah yang kalimat nomor 5. Next to the last questions, ini tentang job application. Oke, bisa kita lihat di sini pertanyaannya. Please fill the blank with the proper self promotion. Self promotion di sini kita harus bersikap sebagai orang yang percaya diri, harus positif dan harus sesuai kualifikasi. Kita lihat dari 5 jawaban ini, 5 pilihan jawaban yang paling mengindikasikan bahwa kita adalah confident dan percaya diri dan positif itu adalah yang I am confident that my qualification and experience match your requirements. Jadi pilihan yang terbaik adalah itu karena nadanya mengandung kepercayaan diri dan profesional. Karena kan kalau misalnya kita mau mengaplikasikan ke suatu pekerjaan, kita harus percaya diri dan sesuai dengan kualifikasi dan harus positif juga. Okay, so to summarize, adverbial clauses of time tells us when something happens, and then for the place itu tells us where it happens. From our exercise, we saw how understanding the type of clause helps us to choose the correct answer. Keep practicing by reading text and identifying clauses. The more you practice, and the faster and more accurate you'll become. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.